So we have coriander, meat cut into cubes, all-purpose flour, tomato paste, chickpeas, lentils, 2 onion or tomatoes, parsley, and coriander. So sa mainit na kawali, lalagyan natin ng butter, ilalagyan na rin natin yung meat. Halu-haluin lang natin hanggang maging ganda at ilalagyan na natin ng onion. And then, stir again, and then put some little bit of water. And lentils, we have diced input chickpeas, lentils, celery, and when it's brown, you can add the tomato paste, all-purpose flour, ginger powder, salt, cumin, and black pepper. And then this is it, our Moroccan Harira soup for our first Ramadan.